Petroleum is a fossil fuel. It is a dark colored, viscous and foul smelling liquid, commonly called crude oil. It is found in rock formations in the earth. Its name is derived from the Latin word petra, which means rock, and oleum, meaning oil. Therefore, petroleum is known as rock oil. Petroleum was formed by the decomposition of the remains of tiny plants and animals buried deep under the sea millions of years ago. It is believed that millions of years ago, the tiny plants and animals which lived in the sea died. Their dead bodies sank to the bottom of the sea and were soon covered with mud and sand due to high pressure, heat, action of bacteria, and in the absence of air, the dead remains of tiny plants and animals were slowly converted into petroleum. Petroleum deposits are usually found mixed with salt water. Petroleum being lighter than salt water floats over it. Natural gas is found above it, and it is trapped between the rock cap and the petroleum layer. You can see in the picture oil, since it is lighter than this saline water in the sea, it floats over this saline water, and then over this oil is the gas, petroleum gas, and it is between the layers of impervious rocks. Now, petroleum is refined since it is a mixture of various materials. Therefore, these materials are separated from one another and are used for different purposes. The process of separating different components of petroleum into their various useful forms is called as refining of petroleum. Petroleum is also known as liquid gold. During refining of petroleum, lots of products are obtained, and each and every product that is obtained from refining is very useful to us. Now let us see what are the products that are obtained during refining of petroleum and what are their uses. Yes, residual oil that we obtain during refining, this residual oil is separated into following products. First is asphalt. It is black and sticky solid. It is used for making roads and coating under the electric poles to prevent them from rusting. Then we obtain paraffin wax. It is a white semi-solid which is often used as grease in machine parts, and it is also used for making Vaseline and ointments. Candles are also made from paraffin wax. Then we have lubricating oil. Lubricating oil, it is viscous oil and it is used for lubricating the machines. During a refining of petroleum, we get fuel oil, and this fuel oil is used in boilers, in big factories and industries. This fuel oil is used. Then we obtain diesel. We are all familiar with it. It is used to run generators and heavy vehicles. We obtain kerosene, which is used in lanterns and domestic fuel. Kerosene oil, we all know that it is used in lanterns and it is used in stoves to cook food. Then we get gasoline. Gasoline is also known as petrol. It is used as a fuel in cars, etc. And it is also used in dry cleaning of clothes. Highly refined petrol is used as a fuel for aeroplanes. Then, lastly, we get petroleum gas. It is also known as liquid petroleum gas, LPG, and it is used as a domestic fuel.